Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth USB adapter to your PC. First, simply plug the adapter into any open USB port. Most modern operating systems will automatically detect and install the required drivers within a few moments. If not, check for a driver disk that came with the adapter, or visit the manufacturer's website to download the correct software. This initial step is crucial for proper functionality. Once your adapter is recognized, open your PC's settings. Look for the Bluetooth and Devices section, usually found under Devices or Network and Internet. Here, you'll find a toggle switch to turn Bluetooth on. After enabling it, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth from the options. Your computer will then start scanning for discoverable Bluetooth devices in the vicinity, typically within a range of 10 meters. Now, make sure the device you want to connect, like headphones or a mouse, is in pairing mode. This usually involves holding down a button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Your PC will display a list of available devices. Select yours from the list. You might be prompted to confirm a pairing code, often a 6-digit number, on both your PC and the device to complete the secure connection. If you encounter issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your PC and the Bluetooth device can often resolve minor glitches. Always check the battery level of your Bluetooth accessory. A low charge can prevent connection. If problems persist, try updating or reinstalling the adapter's drivers. Also, consider plugging the USB adapter into a different USB port, perhaps a USB 3.0 port, to ensure the port itself isn't the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.